YouTube universe, this is Captain David Coach talking to you, and today we shall be learning about Python variables and different types of variables. What is a variable? How to define a variable, types of variables, numbers, strings, /words, and lists, and how to print a value over. If you're wondering what is the definition of a variable in Python is like a labeled box where you can store information like a number or text. You can give the box a name and use the equal signs to put something inside it. Later, you can use the name to see or use what's stored in the box, and you can even change what's inside. Now we're going to go to Visual Studio Code. Just double click it or enter. Okay, now we're going to go to Explorer and we're going to click Open Folder. We're going to go to Documents, click the Python tutorial, select folder, and now we're back where we were. Now we're going to click New File and type 02_ variables. Oh, and do not forget the py. .py. Okay, now we're just gonna start. Now, our first variable for today is gonna be name. Always add the equal sign and quotes T Turner. Now we're gonna use another variable called age equal sign. You must always have the equal sign or else it will not be a variable. Add the quotes and put 13. Now we're gonna use the function print and we're gonna use the f. Now what the f does is that if you do, the f is smart. So Python is not really smart, so you need the f in order to know what is what. So now we're gonna put name, value, do not forget the colons. Oh wait, I missed value. And now we're gonna add the braces and we're gonna add name. Now that we have that, we're gonna do exactly the same thing but with age. We're gonna add the parentheses, add the f, the quotes, and then put age value. And then we're gonna add the colon. Not that colon, this colon. And we're gonna add the braces. And we're gonna add age. Now, we're gonna test it out if it works. Run Python file. And as you can see, the name value is Turner and the age value is 13. But I did something wrong. If you type clear on terminal, just do that. And I accidentally added quotes. So do not add quotes to numbers. Now we're gonna run it again. And now it's perfect. Now what we're gonna do is _kid. And then we add the equal. And then we add true. Then we're gonna type is _adult equal false. Now we're gonna do this again, but different. We're gonna add print, parentheses, add the F, double quotes, is underscore kid, and then we're gonna add the parentheses, braces and we're gonna put is underscore kid. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing. Print, no capitals, parentheses, F, and we're gonna type it is, then we're gonna put underscore adult, and then we're gonna put value. I almost forgot the value on the first one, and I'm very sorry for that. Do not forget to put the values. Now we're gonna put the braces yet again, and we're gonna put is underscore adult. Now we're gonna test if that works. As you can see, there are arrows right under this mark, meaning we have done something wrong. And if you don't know, I know. So as you can see, the quotes must go from the F all the way to the end. And as you can see, there's no quotes at the end. You must add quotes again. Delete these quotes and delete these quotes, and then it will be perfect. Type the clear command on the terminal, and now we can run it again, and we got it. I accidentally typed it, and now we officially got it. Now we're gonna do a new variable called nameList. First of all, we'll type the name underscore list. Never forget the equal sign. Now we're gonna add brackets, and we're gonna do quotes. We're just gonna put Jackson, and then comma, another quote, and we're gonna do Skyler, and then comma, and then we're gonna do me, which is, almost forgot the quotes. We're gonna put David Coates. Now that we have that, we're gonna do the age list. Age underscore list. Don't forget the equal sign. And now we're gonna do walls. And then we're gonna do 60, 50, 60, and 70. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing we did on the last two variables, and we're gonna do print parentheses F quotes list of names value, and then we're gonna do brackets. We're gonna do name underscore list. Now we're just gonna copy and paste, and we're just gonna change it to age, and we're gonna change this to age. Okay, now we're gonna run the Python file. And what is this? We forgot to add a comma. You must always add a comma or else this will happen. Now let's just add the comma. And let's just use the clear command. And now we just did our first 3 variables. Thank you everyone for listening to me, and I hope you have a good day. Adios!